Welcome to Phantastic Physics. Today I'm going to do a demonstration with these two balloons. They are both hanging from the ceiling, and this demo is going to involve static electricity, and it will also involve something called induced polarization. So I'm going to start by charging these balloons up, and I'm going to charge them with a method known as charging by friction. That involves rubbing them against another material. In this case, I'm going to rub them both against my hair. And whenever you charge objects by friction, one of the materials will take electrons from the other material. In this case, the rubber balloons are going to steal electrons from my hair as I rub them together. That's going to cause the balloons to have an overall negative charge, and my hair will be left positively charged. So let's start by charging them up. And the more you rub the balloons against your hair, the more the hair's electrons are going to start moving into the rubber balloon, and the more negatively charged the balloon will become. Okay, so I think they have a fair bit of charge now. I'm going to put them near each other and let's see what they do. Notice they're repelling. They are trying to move apart, and that's because, remember, they're both negatively charged. Like charges repel, and so they separate. But here's where it gets really interesting. If you want to do a magic trick that's really cool, you can take your hand and hold it near one of the balloons and watch what the balloon does when it gets close to my hand. Let's try this one. Yeah, the yellow one's working really well. So you can see it starts to move towards me. And maybe, oh, it's actually working better on my body here. But there's this invisible force that is attracting the balloon to me. And I'm not touching it, but I'm pulling it towards myself. So let's see if it wants to come. Oh yeah, so take a look at that. So what's going on here? This can be explained, like I said, with induced polarization. So going back to the hand here, actually, let's focus on the balloon first. Remember, we said the balloon has an overall negative charge. So I'm going to draw a bunch of negative charges inside of it. And the hand, or my body, is electrically neutral because I have a net charge of 0. I have an equal number of positive and negative charges. Now, of course, I did charge my hair, but if I focus on other parts of my body, we can consider them basically neutral. So my hand has negative charges, and when this negative balloon gets really close, what happens is the negative charges in my hand are going to flee. They're going to start moving to the far side of my hand to try to get further away from this negative balloon. And that's because like charges repel, so these negatives do not want to be near these. And what that results in is the side of my hand, or my fingertips, the part that's closest to the balloon is now net positive because the negative shifted away. And so this negative balloon is now attracted to the positive fingertips, or in the case of my body, the same thing happened where the negatives were pushed in away from the balloon, leaving the front side of me net positive, and that causes the negative balloon to be attracted to the positive side that's near the balloon. And so this is called induced polarization, which is the separation of charges when you bring a charged object near a neutral object. And the net result, of course, is these objects will be attracted to each other. Thank you for watching Phantastic Physics. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more interesting physics content. Goodbye for now, and remember, it's a fantastic universe out there, so stay curious.